Vatican Museums are the public museums of the Vatican City. They display works from the immense collection amassed by the Catholic Church and the papacy throughout the century, including several of the most renowned Roman sculptures and most important masterpieces of Renaissance art in the world. The museums contain roughly 70,000 works, of which 20,000 are on display. Pope Julius II founded the museums in the early 16th century. The Sistine Chapel, with its ceiling and altar, wall decorated by Michelangelo, and the Stanza di Raffaello, decorated by Raphael, are on the visitor road through the Vatican Museums. From the lush greenery of the square garden, visitors access the underground Carriage Pavilion, one of the departments that composes the Vatican Museum's Department of Historical Collection. The road traversed here is fascinating, from sedan chairs designed to carry popes during the long liturgies or to transport them through the vast spaces of the Apostolic Palace so as not tire themselves out to court livery. Carriages, portable thrones, even scale models of trains and airplanes. The carriage's internal furnishing followed the protocol codified at the time of Pope Urban VIII, Matteo Barberini, who inaugurated the use of papal carriages in the 17th century. Preserved intact, it was once used solely for the most important solemnities. Roughly 4 times a year, it was designed as a 4-wheeled throne room. The set was a real papal throne, crowned by a canopy decorated with a dove, made of fabric symbolizing the Holy Spirit. From among the sedan chairs on display, one that stands out was donated by the faithful of Naples to Pope Leo XIII in 1887 for the 50th anniversary of his priestly ordination. It is in the shape of a boat, the symbol of the Catholic Church. This helm is in the hands of the Supreme Pontiff. It is truly a work of fine craftsmanship, richly decorated in wood, bronze, ivory, gold, glass, and cameos. The first is the traveling Berlin given to the Pope Pio XVI by the King of Naples on his re-entry from exile after the revolutionary movement of the Roman Republic in 1850. In the pavilion are also the last 2 carriages used up until 1929 within the Vatican. It is a carriage equipped with a trunk it used to transport mail. The second is characterized by modern leather handbrake called a boat. It was used on what would be the final trip of a papal king in the papal territory of Romania. It is used up in recent times is attested to by an old film shot by a collaborator of the Lumiere brothers in it. From carriage to automobile, Pope Pius XI is the Pope who transitioned from the carriage to the car. Immediately after the signing of the Lateran Pact, he went to the Lateran Basilica to celebrate his 50th anniversary of priestly ordination in an American Graham page. This vehicle was still accessorized like its carriage predecessors in the manner of a throne room. This was the vehicle that brought Pius XII to the area of Rome called San Lorenzo after it had been bombarded in the Second World War. The Mercedes designed by Porsche, a car that succeeded the Graham page, is an extremely elegant Mercedes Nürburgring. Sandro Barbagallo says it was built at the time in which Ferdinand Porsche worked as a young man in the German automobile industry. Then a Citroën Lectoria C6 was used, manufactured entirely in Italy. It recreates the idea of a carriage transformed into an automobile, featuring 2 decorative side lights. And the chauffeur's seat is located outside of the papal chamber.
We saw the garage of Papa and it was very nice. We finished from our going around inside of the museo and I am very speechless. Very speechless of of the collection, antiques of the antiques like 2,000 years ago. Ah, very, very exaggerated.